how to transfer money to PayPal account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can transfer money to PayPal account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically transfer money to PayPal account, the easier way to do so would be from the app. So you can actually open up the PayPal application over here instead, or you can also simply choose to log in from your browser. It doesn't really matter. And once you've done that, what you can do is you can simply go here and then just go to this option called send money, right? So if you have some money, in my case I don't have it, will ask me to link a card which is a debit or credit card, and then you can simply enter the name and the email of the other person, and then you'll be able to receive money and send money as well. This way you'll be able to transfer money to PayPal account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.